Time to get this unit fired up. Yeah. Well, it's not beautiful, but don't look at that at all. Yeah, but it's on there, you know. Yeah. It is what it is. On there's what it is. I'll see if I can pull a trailer with it, baby. Well, gotta pull it up here in this trailer. We'll see if it'll move anything or not. Be pretty cool if it does. Oh yeah. Hanging on up there. Oh my. Trailer light hooked up, I guess. How'd your arms get so strong? I don't know. Pushes it. I don't know how I'm going to record this and do it, but let's see. I think it does it pretty good. My park brake. Easiest I ever moved this trailer. Detached and on the move. Parking brake. Alright, get this one. See if this unit will fit on there. I will say, if you take that metal off and put your battery up there, put your battery in there, you'll have a nice snap to get in your machine. Step, step, step. You don't have to do this. You know what I mean? You gotta do that. You just kind of parkour up there, you know what I mean? You can even record yourself while you do it. Let's think about it. This is a trailer moving unit. Well, it's definitely not the only thing I pulled a trailer with, but the first thing I ever pulled a trailer with was tracks. And it's a unique experience. I'd give it a shot. I mean, it worked out pretty good. I mean, see if I can back this trailer up with a track machine or not, you know what I mean? You'll find out. We'll see how she backs. Ain't bad at all, really. It's a hard one, ain't it? But I can totally handle it. I love it. Look at that bug. I got a bug. Got it. Well, it pulls the trailer pretty good, and it loaded up on this trailer pretty good. A little air in that tire, but 3,500 pound axle, 5x8 trailer, 4x8, something like that. It's up there pretty good. I mean, going to a tight spot, so small trailer makes sense to me. These ramps work pretty good coming down. They hold up too, so I was happy with that. Had to cut my gate off. That's all right. I don't have a four-wheeler with a plow on it anymore anyway, so see you later. The new key switch working pretty good. You know, might work on that install a little bit, but it does work. Kind of adds an additional safety feature there, you know, something else to forget. But I'm happy this little trailer works out pretty good for this, because you know, That's all I really need to take. You know, maybe a shovel, some gas, I don't know, you know. But looks pretty good up there. Looks pretty good. Well, catch you on the next one, guys. It's been a beautiful day here in Indiana. Get out there and enjoy that sunshine. Now.